Microsoft Fabric, the future of unified data analytics. Microsoft Fabric is a cutting-edge data analytics platform that brings together a wide range of technologies, including machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and data management by providing a unified environment for data integration, processing, and visualization. Microsoft Fabric enables organizations to streamline their data workflows and extract valuable insights from their data in real time. Future trends in data analytics. As businesses continue to generate massive amounts of data, the demand for advanced analytics solutions will only continue to increase. Microsoft Fabric is well positioned to address the evolving needs of organizations by offering scalable analytics capabilities that can handle large volumes of data and deliver actionable insights in real time. The role of Microsoft Fabric in data architecture. Microsoft Fabric plays a crucial role in shaping the future of data architecture by providing a flexible and scalable platform for data integration and management. With its seamless integration capabilities and advanced data processing technologies, Microsoft Fabric enables organizations to build robust data pipelines, orchestrate data workflows, and unify data from various sources in a single, cohesive ecosystem. Leveraging advanced analytics with Microsoft Fabric. One of the key strengths of Microsoft Fabric lies in its advanced analytics capabilities, which leverage machine learning algorithms, predictive modeling techniques, and real-time data processing to deliver unparalleled insights into data patterns and trends. The future of data analytics. As we look towards the future of technology, it is clear that data analytics will play a pivotal role in shaping the way businesses operate and compete in the marketplace. Microsoft Fabric stands at the forefront of this digital revolution, offering a glimpse into the future of unified data analytics and innovative data solutions. Conclusion. In conclusion, Microsoft Fabric represents the future of unified data analytics, providing organizations with a powerful platform to harness the full potential of their data and drive data-driven decision-making.